The loss of a loved one in an accident caused by someone else's negligence may force your family to file a wrongful death claim. At such a difficult time, your family may need immediate help to replace the financial support the victim can no longer provide. When the person responsible for a tragic death accepts blame, insurance companies may provide a settlement check to you within only a few months. However, this initial offer might not be enough to cover all the damages you and your family experience from the loss. However, when the fault in an accident is in dispute, it can take 6 months or more to prove your case and earn settlement money. Further delay can be expected if there is a disagreement among family members participating in the same wrongful death claim. Sometimes a wrongful death case must be settled in court when no agreement can be reached. In a wrongful death lawsuit, it may take up to a year just to get a court date. You can discuss your options with a Mason Law wrongful death lawyer during a free case consultation. We can help you determine how to secure the most support for your family with as little disruption to your finances as possible. Give us a call today.